Rick Reeder of BlackRock, he was telling CNBC the big unknown is Trump administration policy. Here's what he said.
And it's been quite a ride. I mean, like you say, a lot of this comes up because policy uncertainty is just out there. When are we going to get tariffs? What types of tariffs? What's the relationship U.S.-China? Putting all that together, anybody who can tell you, gosh, I figured out my model on growth or inflation without a wide error band, I think is lying. You can't do it. And that's why you get these jittery markets and why risk premia has gone up.
People are lying. Wow. People are full of it.
Yeah.
What are we to do?
I mean, when you look at implied volatility, basically, if you went to sleep, seeing, hey, right now it looks like there's green. There's positivity maybe for the market tomorrow. They call it, aftermarket iterations or whatever. And then by the time the market is opened and Trump has said a single word, boom, it all goes straight red because markets don't like uncertainty. And let's think about that for a minute, right? So typically stock markets go up based on or down based on, do they think that companies are going to earn more money? So when we're talking about tariffs, and there's a whole, philosophical argument in a vacuum on, are tariffs really bad or potentially good? Whatever. It has nothing to do with that. The real thing, though, is that think about it this way. How do we know if LG or Samsung are going to be positive or have growth of their stock if we have no idea if they're going to have to pay a ton of tariffs or have their profit margin cut, right? So all of a sudden, every company out there that deals with goods that don't just come from the United States, which is almost all of them, they got issues.